I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must own or have access to the Carl Bot application. This is the only way to change its avatar, so start there. Once logged into the developer portal, select the bot application and go to the bot page. Make sure your avatar file is square and under 256 KB. Pick PNG or JPG for best results. Now click the current avatar to upload the new image. Speak deliberately and pause briefly after each step so you can confirm file validity and permissions. After uploading, crop and adjust as needed. The portal shows a real-time preview. Once satisfied, press Save Changes. This commits the avatar to the application. Make sure the bot is offline briefly if you prefer immediate cache refresh, but usually it updates while running. If the image doesn't appear in your server right away, be patient. Discord caches avatars, so propagation can take some minutes to 1 hour. Also verify you use the correct application token and didn't accidentally edit a different bot. Finally, restart the bot process or relog in the application to encourage cache refresh. Once done, check the avatar across multiple devices. If members still see the old image, advise them to clear Discord cache or rejoin the server for a hard refresh. This often resolves stubborn caching. If you cannot access the developer portal, your only option is to ask the app owner to change it or deploy your own bot with the desired avatar. Otherwise, you cannot alter Carl Bot's avatar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.